The Naughty Monkey and the Missing Bananas. Deep in the jungle, where the trees were tall and the rivers were clear, lived a little monkey. He was full of energy, always jumping from tree to tree, playing tricks on his friends and laughing loudly. This monkey was very naughty. He liked to pull the tails of other animals, throw fruits at them, and run away before they could catch him. He laughed when the elephant got surprised, he giggled when the parrot squawked in anger, and he clapped his hands when the rabbit jumped in fear. But there was one thing he loved more than playing tricks: bananas. He loved bananas more than anything in the world. He ate bananas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He even had a special place high in a tree where he kept all his bananas. Every day, he would climb up and count them to make sure they were all there. The missing bananas. One bright and sunny morning, the monkey woke up feeling very hungry. He stretched his arms, yawned loudly, and rubbed his belly. "Time for some bananas," he said to himself, and quickly climbed up the tree to his special banana stash. But when he reached the top, his smile disappeared. His eyes grew wide and his mouth dropped open. His bananas were gone. "Where are my bananas?" he cried. He looked around, searching every branch, every leaf, but there was not a single banana left. The monkey scratched his head. "Who took my bananas?" he wondered. "I must find out." The search for the bananas. The monkey climbed down the tree and ran to the big elephant, who was drinking water from the river. "Did you take my bananas?" the monkey asked. The elephant shook his head and laughed. "Why would I take your bananas? I don't even climb trees." The monkey thought for a moment. The elephant was right. He could not climb trees. "Maybe you should ask the parrot," the elephant suggested. "She flies everywhere and sees everything." So the monkey ran to the tall tree where the parrot lived. The parrot was sitting on a branch, eating some red berries. "Did you take my bananas?" the monkey asked. The parrot flapped her wings and looked at him. "I only eat berries," she said. "I have no interest in bananas." "Maybe you should ask the rabbit," the monkey sighed. His bananas were still missing, and he had no idea who took them. The monkey ran to the grassy field where the rabbit was digging a hole. "Did you take my bananas?" the monkey asked. The rabbit looked up and shook his head. "I like carrots, not bananas," he said. "Maybe you should think about where you last saw them." The monkey sat down on a rock and thought. "I remember putting them in my special place last night, but now they are gone. What happened to them?" Just then, something soft hit the monkey's head. He looked down and saw a banana peel. He gasped and looked up. The surprise in the trees. High above, in the trees, a group of baby monkeys was happily munching on bananas. They were laughing and playing, throwing banana peels around. The little monkey's eyes widened. "Hey, those are my bananas," he shouted. One of the baby monkeys stopped eating and looked down. "Oh, were these yours?" "Yes, I kept them in my special place, and now they are gone," the little monkey said, crossing his arms. "We found them on the ground under the tree," another baby monkey said. "They smelled so good, we thought they were for everyone." The little monkey blinked. On the ground? He climbed up quickly and looked around. Then he saw it. The branch where he had kept his bananas was broken. The bananas must have fallen during the night. The baby monkeys had only found them and started eating. They didn't know they belonged to him. The little monkey felt his face turn red. He had been so quick to blame others, but it was really his fault for not keeping his bananas safe. The little monkey took a deep breath. He could get angry and scold the baby monkeys, but he realized something important. The baby monkeys had not stolen his bananas. They had just found them and shared them with each other. He looked at the baby monkeys, who were staring at him, waiting to see what he would do. Then he smiled. "Well, since you're already eating them, let's share," he said. The baby monkeys cheered. They made space for him, and he sat down with them. Together, they peeled and ate the sweet bananas. They laughed, told jokes, and played games while they ate. The little monkey had lost his bananas, but he had gained something even better: new friends. From that day on, he was more careful with his bananas. But more importantly, he learned that sharing made everything more fun. And so, the jungle was filled with laughter as the monkeys enjoyed their delicious banana feast together.